In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access PayPal Resolution Center. If you need to report a problem, respond to a dispute, or check the status of an issue connected to your PayPal account, the Resolution Center is the place you'll want to go. The good news is that getting there is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. To begin, open PayPal and make sure you're on your account summary page. This is usually the main dashboard you see after signing in, where you can view your balance and recent activity and account overview. From here, scroll all the way down the page until you find the Contact Us option. It's typically located near the bottom of the screen, so if you don't see it right away, just keep scrolling a little further. Once you find Contact Us, click on it. This will take you to PayPal's help and support area where you can access different tools for account assistance, troubleshooting, and customer service resources. If you're following along on a mobile device, the layout may look slightly different, but the option should still be available in the support or footer section. After the help page loads, look for the Resolution Center option and click on it. This is the section designed specifically for issues like unauthorized transactions, item disputes, payment problems, and other cases that may need review or action. Selecting it will direct you to the Resolution Center so you can manage any open cases or start the appropriate process if needed. As a quick tip, if you're having trouble locating either option, make sure the page has fully loaded and that you're signed in to the correct PayPal account. Also, depending on your region or device, the wording or placement may vary slightly, but the path is generally the same. Go to Contact Us, then choose Resolution Center. And that's all it takes to access the PayPal Resolution Center. Once you're there, you can review case details, upload requested information, or take the next steps based on the issue you're dealing with. It's a useful section to know about, especially if you ever need to resolve a payment concern efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you find the Resolution Center quickly and easily.